Greetings, everyone. My name is MAP Eziokubundo 1. I am making this video to pass a message to my brothers and sisters and every other traders that are trading in the Onitsha Market and those who are residing in Anambra State, so that you will be informed, because there is this say that says, if you are not informed, you must be deformed. Now, it's no longer news that Charles Chukwuma Soludo shut down Onitsha Market because the people of Anambra State choose to use on Monday to show their solidarity to the great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who have sacrificed his life and is suffering today in Sokoto prison because of me and you. And the Anambra people choose to use on Monday to show their solidarity to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and encourage Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that we are solidly behind him, that we have not failed him nor abandoned him, that the message we sent him, that he is representing us for, that we are happy and we will do anything to make sure that he accomplish it. So the Onitsha Market traders choose to use on Monday voluntarily to sit at home. But Charles Chukwuma Soludo, who is bittered and is against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and he is against the freedom of Igbo, he drives joy in the suffering of Igbo. He is bittered because the people are showing their solidarity to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because of that, he now give an order for Onitsha Market to be closed. I want to send this message to my brothers and sisters who are in Anambra State. It doesn't matter if you're a trader in Onitsha Market or not. In as far as you are residing in Anambra State, this message is for you. Nda Anambra, we must not allow Omambala to fall or succumb to Charles Chukwuma Soludo. The threat of Charles Chukwuma Soludo should not reach us. Now, if truly the pain of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu touch you, if truly you love Ohamadike Igbo, the Messiah of Igbo, Ozigbo one worldwide, if truly you love him, that Monday sit at home should be a sacrosanct. It should be no-go area. Nobody should convince you to start going about your business. Now, let me tell you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the federal government have illegally sentenced him to life imprisonment and sent him to Sokoto. Now, they want to do everything for his name to be silenced so that he will forget him. The only thing you use to remember him is that to sit at home. When they will ask, why are they sitting at home? You will now tell the person that the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, the Messiah of Igbo, Ozigbo one, is in Sokoto prison, that they are doing it for his release, so that the people will be aware and the world will now understand that his people are still fighting for his release, that they have not abandoned him. Charles Chukwuma Soludo wants you to abandon him. If you know that you don't want to fail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and disappoint Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, hold on that Monday sit at home. Don't give up on it. If Charles Chukwuma Soludo failed to reopen Onitsha Market tomorrow, let every Igbo people, every Anambra people shut down the Anambra State. Shut down the bank, schools, government houses, including he, Charles Chukwuma Soludo, should join to sit at home for the 7 days. Then come on Monday again, we sit at home. He will be tired. You know why? You are an entrepreneur, a private business. You are not a civil servant. You have every right to decide the day to open your shop and the day not to open it. It is your personal work. That is why you are the owner. Government cannot command you. You decide when to do your business. If you like, you lock it for 1 year. The most important thing is that you pay your tax. Now, Chukwuma Soludo is now a dictator, trying to cage Anambra State, try to turn Anambra State like his slaves. We must not allow that. And I repeat, if by tomorrow Charles Chukwuma Soludo fail to reopen Onitsha Main Market, Head Bridge Onitsha should be shut down. Everywhere in Anambra State should be shut down so that he will now feel the pain he is trying to inflict to Anambra. So that everybody will sit at home, including he, Charles Chukwuma Soludo. So I am calling on every Anambarians. This is a test. This is a test that you must stand on your ground, stand on your feet. You must not betray Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Omambala must not betray Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If Charles Chukwuma Soludo fail to reopen that market by tomorrow, let the entire Anambra shut down. Let everybody shut down and everybody sit at home. So that he will now understand that we value our freedom more than any other thing. Freedom first. And I want to ask him, Charles Soludo, you say that every Monday, Anambra State loses 8 billion because of the sit at home. I ask you again, what are you doing with the revenue that you are generating from Anambra? If Anambra State alone, or Onitsha Main Market alone, produce 8 billion in revenue, why is there no any borehole water, running water in Anambra State? Why is there no free maternity in Anambra State? Why is there no road in Anambra State? Go to Ayamelum, Anambra West, or you local government. You will see that these people don't even have electricity, not to talk of having a running water. And they have the guts, the effrontery to say that you loses 8 billion, which means you have been embezzling the money. Because of the money you are embezzling, that is what is paying you. Dear friends and lovers of freedom, I want you people to understand one thing. The main reason why Charles Chukwuma Soludo is locking down on Onitsha Main Market is because there is no more insecurity in Southeast. And because there is no more insecurity, the security money that is getting from the federal government have reduced and they want to increase it. Pardon? Now he want to bring back insecurity. That is why he now bring out all these terrorists in uniform to come and start terrorizing our people in the name of forcing sit at home 1 week. Before you know it, they will kill on a life 2 or 3 people. You will say that it's unknown gunmen. And he will now send the video. If Chukwuma Soludo don't want the sit at home to continue, what he need to do is to video the sit at home and send it to the Aso Rock and send it to UN, send it to America. Tell them that the Biafrans, the Anambra people have chosen to sit at home every Monday in solidarity to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is the solution. Failure to do this, Monday sit at home continue. What we are against is any person coming out to enforce sit at home or to claim that he is the one forcing it. No. Allow the people to decide. This is their fundamental right. They will decide. You are being elected. In case you don't know, the definition of the government you are talking, you are this, you are that, is government for the people, by the people. So the government is for the people and by the people, not for you. You cannot turn yourself to a dictator in Anambra State. Let this stand as a warning to Charles Soludo and in the Anambra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu life and the release now depend on you. Are you going to betray Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because of Monday sit at home? Because Chukwuma Soludo threatened you? Or you are going to show Chukwuma Soludo that he cannot impose anything for you? And nevertheless, if he tells you, go out, he might be the one to send unknown government to come and shoot you. And he carries security to cover himself. Don't say we don't want you. This is time to stand for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and nothing more. This is time to show your solidarity. Don't allow Soludo to deceive you. All must hear Biafra. I remember my humble self. MAP Ezoku Bundu. 1. Those that will say, come back home, come and lead us. Don't listen to them. These are agents, robot, AI. God bless you all.